Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Brittany Kristen here with the Holiday Firm, and I'm here at Soul Asylum Studios in West Midtown, Atlanta. It's A3C weekend, it's Atlanta Hip Hop Day weekend, and we're kicking it off right here at Sound of the City Meet and Greet Listening Party. Stick with me when we take you inside and we'll show you what's going down.
ASYAHTYRA on Instagram, iTunes, everywhere, Spotify, SoundCloud, and if you go to the left, you can see my team. Look, Caleb smiling, looking for me. It might get dark, but we in the building. And you got Be The Boss, you know Be The Boss and Holiday Firm. We here. Let's get it. Turn.
You heard? Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm standing with tonight's host, Ty Bands. This is Sound of the City A3C weekend going up. What's up, Ty Bands? How you doing today?
What's happening, man? You know what I'm saying? It's TY Bands 100. A3C weekend, Sound of the City, we hosting, killing it. We've been doing it. You hear what I'm saying? Follow me on IG, TY Bands 100.
Personal. The vibes are lit throughout the entire space. Everybody.
And what makes it phenomenal for me this year is who helps me, like Miss Vegas in the streets, and of course the Holiday Firm. Like,
yes,
I am officially part of the Holiday.
You fam?
I'm fam.
She down. She down.
Okay.
Shout out everybody who helped us out in life. You know what I mean? Everybody who's down here for A3C had to be a part of magic, and we doing what we got to do.
That's right, baby. One time for the Holiday Firm, right?
Holiday Firm. Love y'all, man. It was good brunch, you know what I mean? We came out, we ate, we got bottles, we got spoiled today, you know what I mean? So they really know how to treat people, really know how to keep people on the A&A, up and up, A3C.
That's right, baby. Happy birthday, Miss Malibu.
Miss Malibu, love you, baby.
Is you mad? You big mad? You big mad?
You big mad?
Smile, smile.
Okay.
You look good. People, this your boy City. Yeah. And you rocking with A&T, but guess what? We rocking with the Holiday Firm. Every single day, all day long, we rock with the Holiday Firm. A&T, Atlanta Music TV rocks with the Holiday Firm. Every day is a holiday. Stay tuned, keep it locked.
I like that every day is a holiday. Did you hear that? Every day is a holiday.
Every day is a holiday.
Every day.